Fantasy Dance by Robert Schumann. This fabulous piece. Oh my goodness, Opus 124, number 5. The way to get our students to play this really well, or to play it well yourself, is instead of trying to play all the notes at once, go ahead and play only the downbeats in each hand. So that's first beat practice. When we could do that, we will go ahead and clump the triplets together. So it sounds like this. 1, 2. Isn't that too much fun? Then when we have worked on that for several weeks, we can go ahead and play the way that Schumann asks us to play it in nice fast triplets without any pedal. So you notice I did add a little bit of pedal in because it's just so much fun. Now the next section, the B section, this is actually a duet. So we can have our students, or we can work on this ourselves by playing just the top of the right hand melody and the left hand melody. So another practice strategy while we're playing just the duet is have the student play just the left hand, being very careful of connecting the notes, and when there are two note slurs, disconnect from the last of the two note slurs. And in the right hand, we can block all of these chords. Have the student feel like they're hanging their elbow to the bottom of the floor. And then we might as well go ahead and have our students play the second ending as well, which is a little bit different than the first ending. Then we go back to the A section. At the very end, it's the B section again, but it's also played differently because we have an E minor chord followed by 5/7 and then back to tonic E minor. So once they have done these wonderful practice strategies for several weeks, then they're ready to play the way the piece was written. I think I might play the ending one more time so that all those harmonies are really clear. There we go. So that's Schumann's wonderful fantasy dance, and we see it in Festival Collection Book 6.